So after 34 seconds, 40 seconds, it looks like this. Not great, right? But that's okay. I'm going to start stirring. Stirring, 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 stirring. Now, of course, the better your chocolate, the better your fudge sauce. This is only 50% dark chocolate, so it's not as great as if you want to put a 70% in there. Keep going. I know it looks like crap right now. You just have to believe. There will be miracles if you believe. Alrighty. Oh, keep going, 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 keep going. There you go. It's coming. Now this is fudge sauce for, oh, that last piece could have gone another 5 seconds. If you want it thicker, you put a little bit less milk. If you want it thinner. Now this is perfect for dunking fruit, strawberries, or cherries. But, you know, I'm going to go with the classic. I'm going to go with some ice cream here because, you know, it's summer. So there you go. That was a little thin because I put too much milk in it. But you can keep the rest in the fridge covered. And you can heat it in the microwave for like 9 seconds if you want. And it just gets better and better. Mmm. Yeah, a little bit more. Can't have enough chocolate in your life. See you next time.